OWASP stands for the Open Web Application Security Project. It is a nonprofit organization focused on improving the security of software. OWASP provides freely available resources and tools to help organizations develop, deploy, and maintain secure software applications. The primary mission of OWASP is to make software security visible so that individuals and organizations can make informed decisions about true software security risks. It achieves this mission by promoting the principles of transparency, openness, and collaboration. Some key aspects of OWASP include 1. Documentation and best practices. OWASP produces a variety of documentation, guides, and best practices related to web application security. This includes guides on secure coding practices, security testing methodologies, and more. 2. Tools and projects. OWASP sponsors and supports numerous open-source projects and tools focused on various aspects of application security. These tools are designed to help developers, testers, and security professionals identify and address security vulnerabilities in software. 3. Top 10 Project, OWASP. Top 10 is a widely recognized document that provides a list of the top 10 most critical web application security risks. It is periodically updated to reflect the evolving threat landscape. 4. Conferences and events. OWASP organizes conferences, training sessions, and events around the world to bring together professionals interested in application security. These events provide a platform for knowledge sharing, networking, and collaboration. 5. Community involvement. OWASP encourages community involvement and contributions. Volunteers from the security community actively participate in various OWASP projects, helping to improve and expand the organization's resources. 6. Education and awareness. OWASP places a strong emphasis on education and awareness. It provides educational materials, training courses, and resources to help individuals and organizations enhance their understanding of web application security. By promoting the adoption of secure software development practices and creating resources for the community, OWASP plays a crucial role in improving the overall security posture of web applications and software systems. Developers, security professionals, and organizations can benefit from OWASP's extensive knowledge base and collaborative initiatives to build and maintain secure software applications.